Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create sun rays effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have the sun rays effect. First, go to the Select option in the menu bar, choose Color Range, select Highlights from the drop-down menu, adjust the fuzziness and range accordingly, and click OK. Now, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select the duplicated layer, go to the Filter option in the menu bar, choose Blur, and select Radial Blur. Set the amount to 100, choose Blur Method as Zoom, and Quality as Best. Adjust the blur center as per your preferences and click OK. Now you have the preferred sun rays effect. If you need to enhance this effect, duplicate the layer again by pressing Ctrl+J. Then, group both duplicated layers by selecting them and pressing the Create New Group icon under the Layer panel. Now, you can control the brightness of the rays by changing the opacity of the group. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.